Good morning, John. Good morning, Mike. Let me take you to your cubicle and then I will give you a tour of our facility. Here is your cubicle. You're home away from home from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock every day, John. Oh, very nice. Drop your belongings here, and let's go. Okay, I am ready, Mike. That is Mary over there. She is our senior financial analyst. You will be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her. Mary, this is John, our department's new addition.
Welcome aboard, John. I am very glad to see you. Boy, I was swamped with work the last couple of weeks. But I can see myself going home at a more decent time from now on.
Thank you. I am very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I am glad to be of any assistance. I am giving John a tour of our facility so that he knows his way around here.
See you later, John.
Okay, Mary. We are now in the finance department. Next to us, on your left, is the accounting department. On your right is the human resources department. Go downstairs and we are in the engineering department. Further down, at the end of the hallway is the production area. 70% of our merchandise is produced right here in this facility. We also have one smaller manufacturing facility overseas that handles the rest of the production. You will be dealing with Steve, the production manager. I will introduce you to him later because he is in a meeting at the moment. Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties. Okay. Like I said during the interview, one of your daily jobs is to deal with the bank to keep track of our financial resources. Every morning, you will access our account through the internet to get financial information. I should have a login and password, right? Yes, I will call our bank and inform them that you are our new employee. Your next task is to call overseas to get other necessary information. What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas? You will need financial data about their current and future projects. Do they need any information from me? Yes, you need to work with them on their budgets. You can fax or email them the information. If you need to talk to them, call them as soon as you get in. Remember that they are 8 hours ahead of us. The fax machine and the copier are in the next room, right? I saw them when you took me around. Yes. Make sure that you create a file for each overseas project. You and I will review them at the end of every week. In the beginning, can you review the files with me more often? I just want to make sure that I do my job correctly. Yes, come see me whenever you have questions. Thank you. It is almost the end of November, so your next major task is to help prepare the budget for next year. You will work closely with Mary on this project. That is a long and tedious task. There will be a lot of calculations and a lot of questions to ask, right? Yes. So, it is better that both of you start working on this project as soon as possible. I will get together with Mary soon. Okay, that should be enough for now. I leave you on your own to get organized. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.